Does your bedroom vanity feel more like a disaster zone than a dreamy space? Don't worry, we've got the perfect hacks to turn this dull setup into a stunning centerpiece of your room. Step 1. Declutter. Remove everything from the vanity and toss expired makeup or items you no longer use. Starting with a clean slate is key. Next, let's make it pop. Choose a fresh color palette that matches your bedroom theme. We're painting the vanity blush pink and adding elegant gold knobs for a modern, stylish look. Now, it's time to get organized. Use clear acrylic organizers for your makeup and skincare. They're not only functional, but also give your vanity that clean, modern vibe. Good lighting is a game changer. Add a Hollywood-style mirror with built-in lights for that perfect glow. It's functional and glamorous. Finally, let's style it up. Add fresh flowers, a scented candle, and maybe a framed print or two. These small touches make a big difference in creating a cozy, personalized space. And that's it, from boring to beautiful in just a few easy steps. Now, your bedroom vanity is not only functional, but also a stylish retreat you'll love every day.